Thank you, Mr. President. Imagine to be sentenced to death or to be executed simply for whom you love. For millions of people, this is a reality because they are living in states where somebody may be executed by a state for consensual same-sexual acts. The right to life is a cornerstone of the international human rights system, and we therefore welcome this panel and the Resolution 3617 as a monumental step towards ending these horrific laws and practices. There are currently 6 states where the death penalty is implemented for consensual same-sex acts, a further 5 where it is technically possible by means of reference to Sharia law. Such laws root in patriarchy and gender stereotypes and do not only affect gay and lesbian persons, but as well their families, friends and loved ones. Trans and gender non-conforming persons also face oppression and violence as a consequence of such laws. Mr. President, persecution of LGBT persons remains unchallenged in too many states. It is virtually impossible for any organization working on sexual orientation or gender identity to develop in such countries. And those who provide services directed towards LGBT people might be forced to flee the country due to threats. Applied or not, the death penalty emits fear among LGBT persons and renders a social life impossible. Laws that impose the death penalty for sexual conduct violate the right to life. And, as Article 6 of the ICCPR states, sentences may only be imposed for the most serious of crimes. The UN has clearly stated, and we have heard it by several speakers today, that consensual sexual relations and activities do not meet this threshold. Such laws, even if they are never enforced, breach state obligations under international human rights law. We call upon states that have not yet abolished the death penalty to ensure that it is not applied on the basis of discriminatory laws or as a result of discriminatory or arbitrary application of the law, including to consensual same-sexual acts. I thank you, Mr. President.
I thank you.